Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to create a task manager desktop shortcut on your Windows 11. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on a blank area of your desktop. So dito sa blank area, kailangan mo lang mag right click. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung new. And then next, kailangan mo i-select dito yung shortcut. Ito siya. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then pop up ito mga kaibigan na create shortcut. So, what item would you like to create a shortcut for? So, dito kailangan mo lang i-type kung saan location mo siya isi-save yung item na makikreate mo. So, dito sa right side, pwede mong i-click ng browse. And then, pwede kang mag-select dito kung saan mo siya i-locate. Alright? And then dito, kailangan lang natin i-type or paste natin to task manager. So, ilalagay ko to sa description box para mas madaling mahanap. Alright? And then, paste natin yan. So, ang next step was na ilagay mo na yung kung saan locations. And then, click next to continue. So, dito sa baba, click mo lang tong next. And then, dito naman sa type a name for the shortcut. So, pwede mong baguhin. Pwedeng same. Pwede naman. So, baguhin natin. So, same name. Task manager. Okay? So, ganito siya. So, any name as long as alam mo siya. And then, click finish to create the shortcut. Ito yung last step. And then, dito sa baba, click mo lang dito yung finish. Ayan. So, makikita mo mga kaibigan, dito na nakapag-create na tayo ng task manager dito sa desktop shortcut. So, para ma-check natin dito, so, ang gagawin natin, pwede mo naman siyang i-check via keyboard shortcut na Windows logo plus letter R. And that, lalabas ito mga kaibigan. And then dito lang sa box, so type mo lang yung task mgr.exe. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. Ayan. So, ito na yung task manager. And another one, so dito sa taskbar, so right click ka lang. And then, select mo lang dito yung task manager. And then, ito na siya. Okay, so napakasimple lang talaga kung paano tayo mag-create ng desktop shortcut. Right? So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to create a task manager desktop shortcut on Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.